How to stop backing up photos in Google Photo. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to stop backing up Google photos in Google Photo. So to stop backing up your photo in Google Photos, make sure to watch this video till the end. Follow the instructions as guided. So first thing first, go ahead and open up your Google Photos app. And what next you need to do is you have to go ahead and tap on your profile or the initials from the top right hand side corner of your screen. Then go to photo settings. As you press the photo settings option, you can find this backup. Go ahead and press that and make sure to turn off your backup. This is the way you could go ahead and stop backing up your photos in Google. If you have a multiple account, then you could also go ahead and select the specific account for that, and just like this you could find out the one where you actually want to go ahead and stop backing up your photos. That's all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.